Let's see what's down there.
Okay.
Yeah, come on, let's go. Right there. We're at the door. I wonder what's through the door. What do you think's at the door?
I don't know.
It's the killer's mask and knife.
How did it get here?
I think this might be the killer's lair. Wait, look at. What's that? It's Liam dead. I mean, it's a dead person.
Where's the knife and the mask? The killer stole it.